Welcome to one and all present here. Shall I now discuss about the unit 1 topic thermal performance of building inside air conditioned system. What do you mean by air conditioning? It is defined as the process of simultaneously controlling and maintaining the properties of air like temperature, humidity, purity and direction of flow in a closed space. And principle of AC, an air conditioner continuously draws on air from an indoor space to be cooled and cools air inside the building by the refrigeration principle and discharges it back into the same indoor space that needs to be cooled air, and recirculation of the cooled air keeps the indoor space at the required temperature. Already you know, and you visibly identified the AC system. Your house inside room or auditorium, cinema theater or seminar hall or any conference hall, textile engineering or any mall, multi-store buildings, you visibly identify the AC. Or season wise, in winter and summer season wise, AC for update. Okay, can AC or fresh air inside the room. The room for our air inside after cooling the purposes, our human being feeling this happy. Okay, compulsory for summer season using this air conditioner system. And next, what are the classification of AC system? Comfort AC. There are three types: summer AC, winter AC, and year-round AC. Industrial AC, unitary window AC, and central AC system. And generally, this type of AC analyzed comfort AC. It is to provide the environment with required temperature and humidity for comfort. Summer AC, the temperature is high. It's outside atmosphere, but temperature is high, and the air conditioning system involves cooling air inside the room, and the dehumidification process, the air distribution inside the room are called cooling fresh air for inside the house. We all human beings feeling it, cooling this body. Next, winter AC. The temperature is lower. This is a hills area. This is a winter AC using. Okay, this atmospheric represents the temperature depending how to use the winter AC. The air conditioning involves heating purposes, the air heater using, and humidification process applied to provide the comfort AC. This winter AC for applicable. Year-round AC system has both winter and summer AC. Okay, these are per year. This year-round AC automatically changing this AC system. And industrial AC, it is to provide the environment with the required temperature and humidity according to applications. Okay, where particular temperature wise, industrial field, the air conditioning system for upload. Next, unitary window AC. The window type of AC is a small capacity, 0.5 tons to 2 tons applied. And finally, central AC system is a large capacity for a food production company, and then textile technology, showroom, mall, auditorium, cinema theater. Okay, centralized AC for ceiling purposes applied. Window AC, room air conditioner. It is designed to condition the air in a single room and usually installed in a window. Already all members visibly identified the window AC. This is a air cooler. We got to upload in this room. This window AC construction, the parts, major components, compressor, condenser, air filter, evaporator, motor, fans, and thermostat capillary tube used. This window AC unit is divided into two units. Major units consider indoor and outdoor unit. This indoor unit parts are evaporator, air filter, motor driven fan, control panel, tray, etc. Outdoor unit this contains compressor. Outdoor unit using compressor, condenser, and then trays, motor driven fan, etc. Okay, this window AC, go to construct this part. Figure shows this for window AC. Okay, a room inside, a side wall, fixed this window AC or standing window AC given. This window AC, your outside heat energy produces this heat energy. Okay, inside the room. So your room is for hotly feeling, your room for hotted. So you go to use the window AC. This is a fresh air inside the room. It's a filter. This is a filter for the blower. The filter for reduce this. Okay, what dust particles, your fresh air, pure air inside this. Inside this air cooler. The air cooler dehumidification process applied after air distribution inside the room. This evaporator, the heat energy for evaporated, for cool, okay, humidified, okay, okay, where hot energy released it, this is cool energy inside it. Okay, this is a room for occupied this cooling purposes. This is a window opening. Okay, this window opening, the condenser using this compressed motor, some pressure is applied, this refrigeration principle applied, the heat exchanges hot to cold to heat energy, this transfer to this heat energy. Okay, this liquid refrigerant, the water, cooling water for circulated in this tube. Okay, this vacuum tube, go to air. Come air, okay. This is air for heat energy, reducing it to cooling purposes. This material used. This outside air inside it, and inside air heat energy, outside releasing it, evaporating this moisture. This outdoor unit. Okay, so your two major methods: humidification, dehumidification process wise, were air heater and air cooler. This purposes you got to applied, you got to reduce the heat energy, your room for we got to feeling this cooling, you got to temperature varied, remote control using, you got to changing this where fan and turbo, and then your temperature decreases, so room for cooling. Okay, your temperature increasing, and this room for hot energy producers. You go to analyze this window AC. This layout, this diagram, this indoor and outdoor units. This window AC. Okay, this are room air conditioner purposes used. This for single room applied this window AC. This major components are applied. This is a working the principle of this window AC. The evaporator fan sucks the air from the room to be conditioned through air filter, and it passes the air over the cooling coil. It delivers cool and dehumidified air back to the room. So generally recirculated air process. In the evaporator, the liquid refrigerant picks up heat from the room air. This cool air brings down the temperature and humidity levels in the room. Compressor uses the low pressure vapor refrigerant coming from the evaporator. Cooling coil used, and this converts into high pressure vapor refrigerant. Already you have to refrigerant. Okay, this already your house inside. Okay, refrigerant using your heat exchanges purposes. Your backside window AC. Backside for refrigerant using high pressure applied. Okay, this passed this heat energy condenser where it is cooled this material. Okay, outside air is drawn. in by the another fan and it cools the refrigerant then becomes a liquid. Figure shows this was where water humidified this air fan, the refrigerant this for this air inside it. So this for this condition for your hot energy releasing it outside, for cooling this purpose outside air circulated, this cooling this material. Automatically your rooms are for cooled. Outside air is drawn by the another fan and it cools the refrigerant and becomes liquid. The high pressure, low temperature liquid refrigerant from the condenser enters the capillary tube. Using the capillary tube, this where energy flow, this refrigerant wise, where pressure, you go to where pressure applied, compressor motor using some pressure is applied, where low temperature bath where liquid for flowing through this capillary tube. It passes the evaporator coil. This is a coil for reduce the heat energy. And in the evaporator, the liquid refrigerant picks up heat and gets vaporized. The cycle repeats again and again until required temperature is reached. Advantages of window AC. Individual temperature control devices provided. For air distribution, ducts are not required. Disadvantages. Unit is installed outside the wall. Unit has a fixed air quantity. This one, this disadvantages. This is a window AC for not more used. Okay, but this is majority used for packaged AC. And this for outside the wall used this window AC. What is window AC? Window AC is also known as room air conditioner. It is designed to condition the air in a single room or a large scale. It is called a window AC because it is usually installed in a window. Different types of AC systems: central AC, split AC, window AC, portable AC, hybrid AC. The maximum house inside all people's using this AC system, split AC, and then hybrid AC using for this your marriage hall, or portable AC using for marriage hall, or any companies used portable AC. And protection against fire to be caused by AC systems. Failing to keep they not cleaned properly. Kiva, this is a fire to be caused, the AC systems are not cleaned properly. So suddenly this for attack this for fire. Storing flammable materials. Your house inside to remove these flammable materials. Okay, near the AC systems. And faulty parts and equipment. You got to reduce this faulty parts and replacement this material. So this fire to be caused by AC systems. Regulated fire protection systems. So sensor pattern, go to fix this regulated model, alarm system, sprinkler system, standpipe system, and smoke detector. Packaged AC. Already you know and visibly identified this packaged AC. It's a self-contained unit primarily for floor mounting, designed to provide conditioned air to space. Unit comprises a compressor used, condenser and evaporators are applied, which are interconnected with copper refrigerant piping and refrigerant controls. It also includes fan for circulation of air and filter. The unit is provided with compressor and fan motor starter and factory wired safety controls. So majority packaged AC material for copper refrigerant used. And compressed motor. Compressor is a device which comprises low pressure and low temperature refrigerant gas to high pressure, high temperature superheated refrigerant gas are used. Next, condenser. Condensers high pressure and high temperature refrigerant gas to liquid refrigerant at approximately the same temperature bar and pressure by removal of sensible heat of refrigerant by external means of water cooling or air cooling system. So this packaged AC major components are compressor, condenser and evaporator. The packaged units available with microprocessor based controller installed in the unit for digit display of faults. Go to control the unit. Okay, our time setting, temperature settings, our motor compressed pressure for setting it. Automatically fixed this value, but this for overall ceiling display this for cooling it. Okay, but this digital wise, this installed this material for properly fixed this ceiling. Okay, this units for packaged AC. The units are available with reciprocating compressor as also scroll the false ceiling to attend to the indoor unit, including periodic cleaning of air filter. Okay, this indoor unit and outdoor unit for fixed. This for indoor unit, where inside air flow in this hall or room. This occupied this fresh air. This room for we go to feeling it. Okay, cooling. But this ceiling suppose fault. The ceiling this material, this major three materials for fault, cooling for nothing forward, only hot energy producing it. But our outdoor for not releasing this hot air. This outdoor to indoor, not fresh air inside it. We go to changing this material. Outdoor unit is mounted at the nearest open area.